Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and now just scroll all the way down, and if the developer options they are activated on your device, the last section will be developer options. Just click there, and to hide the developer options you should click once here on the switcher to turn them off, and as you can see all of the options they are blocked. And now the last section here is the about tablet, and by this way you can hide the developer options. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.